there's a massive wave of capital hitting the private sector. And if you're a business owner in Jamaica, you need to be ready. We're talking about $2.4 billion US, specifically earmarked for private sector-led recovery following the devastation of Hurricane Melissa. This is not just government aid. This is investment capital designed to rebuild the backbone of the Jamaican economy. Today, we're breaking down who gets it, how to qualify, and why Minister Aubyn Hill is telling the businesses to, quote-unquote, gear up right now. If you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel. It will really help our community grow. Plus, you'll receive notification when we release more content like this in the future. Hurricane Melissa was the most powerful storm in our history, leaving behind nearly $10 billion US in damages. But out of that tragedy comes an unprecedented opportunity for growth. The government of Jamaica has secured a total support package of $6.7 billion US from international partners. But the most exciting part for the business community? That $2.4 billion segment. Unlike the sovereign loans going out to the government, this money is coming from the big players in private finance. Players like IDB Invest, the IFC, and the MIGA. Now, these are organizations that just don't want to rebuild. They want to invest in profitable, resilient enterprises. So, who can actually touch this money? Well, the Minister Aubyn Hill has been very clear. This is for private companies, not state agencies. So if you're in construction and engineering, there's a massive push to rebuild infrastructure away from the rising sea levels. If you provide goods and logistics, the supply chain needs you. And for the MSMEs, our micro, small and medium enterprises, this is the game changer. You don't have to be a multinational to benefit. Now, if you remember, one of the biggest takeaways from the recent JC conference was the power of the consortium. If your company is too small to bid for a massive international contract on its own, the government is urging you to pool your resources. Join forces with other local firms to form a consortium that has the capacity to win big. But you can't just walk in and ask for a check. You need to prove that you have the capacity to deliver. First, you must audit your capacity. Ensure your financial records are transparent and your business model is focused on innovation and sustainability. Second, look to the JSE. Use the Jamaica Stock Exchange to raise the initial capital needed for equipment or expansion, so you have the heft to qualify for those larger project financing. And third, engage with the DBJ. The Development Bank of Jamaica has launched the M5 Business Recovery Program with $10 billion Jamaican dollar to provide the initial credit and grants you may need to get back on your feet and you prepare for those larger opportunities. The money is there. The framework is ready. The international community has bet on Jamaica's resilience. As Minister Hill said, don't come back and tell me that only 1% of the people get the money. It's time to move out of survival mode and into reconstruction mode. If you have found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the Melissa recovery and the business opportunities in the Caribbean. Thanks for watching. Hit that link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next video.